Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young shepherd named Liam. Liam tended to his flock of sheep with care, ensuring they grazed on the lush green pastures and stayed safe from harm. Every morning at dawn, he would lead them to the fields, where they would roam freely until sunset. One crisp autumn day, as Liam guided his sheep through the meadows, he noticed a peculiar sight, a lone lamb straying away from the group. Concerned for its safety, Liam hurried to catch up with the wayward lamb. With gentle hands, he scooped up the lamb and cradled it against his chest. As he carried the lamb back to the flock, Liam noticed dark clouds gathering in the sky, signaling an approaching storm. Determined to keep his sheep safe, Liam quickened his pace, urging the flock to move faster. Together, they made their way back to the safety of the village just as the first drops of rain began to fall. With the sheep safely sheltered in their pen, Liam breathed a sigh of relief, knowing he had fulfilled his duty as their caretaker. As the storm raged outside, Liam sat by the fire, recounting the day's events to his fellow villagers. And though the storm may have passed, Liam knew that as long as he was there to watch over his flock, they would always be safe and sound.